Hello, all. Good day. Hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back to the video. Let's continue.
Now that Git is installed, let's start using it in this video. I will show you the four most essential Git commands, that is git init, git add, git commit and git status. By the end, you'll be able to create a Git repository and track changes like a pro. So for any project before using, we have to configure the Git or initialize the Git in that repo. So to demonstrate that, I'll open the Git bash here. So my Git bash has been opened. We will create a project folder here. So I will use the Linux command mkdir. Oops, my mistake. It didn't type there. Mkdir. I will say git project. I will type it in short form, git pro. So let me enter. So I have to get into that folder now. Cd git pro. Now I am inside the newly created project folder. So first, in step 1, we are going to see the initialize git repository using git init. Here I will use git init. Basically what exactly it does, so here in our local folder it's initialize the git and it's create a hidden file with extension .git. So this tells Git to start tracking the changes in this particular directory. Next we have second most essential command like git add. So if any files we are changing inside the git, so that will be we can able to add it. So basically I can say, as we are using the git bash, here I will just create a text file. So I will say echo hello git. I will store that particular changes which I have created a notepad. I'll put it this one into hello dot text. Okay. So basically what we did, we created a text file hello.txt. Inside that hello.txt there is a single sentence hello git. Okay, so now what we can do, we can check the status of the git. So basically the fourth checking status which we have, so I will say git status. So you can see on branch master no commits yet, on track file changes we have now there is a file called hello.txt which we have created. So now I'll add this file, okay, and we will commit that one. So first for adding that one, we have a command git add. So I'll use that git add. So as of now I have only one file, so that is the reason I'm using dot, which will be nothing but all changes it will be adding into the stage. So everything has been added to my stage. Okay, so now I have already performed the git add, so we will do see the git commit. Now it's kind of files are there in the state. So I will use git status once again. So you can see changes to be committed here. This is the file. If you want to remove or the unstage, so you can try this command, but as of now we will see the git commit, so I'm not going to do anything. So I'll just say git commit to put the message what would be my changes all about. We have to put a simple message so that we can able to track it in future whether we are on the what exactly we had done this one. So as of now I'll put a message saying initial commit added hello dot text. I will do this one. So here one file has been already committed into my git repo. So if you want to view the git history, like what exactly you have done till now, so simply we can do git log hyphen one line. You can see the git history, like whatever the things we have already done or committed into the git. Now if I'll see the status, what exactly git has been done, git status. You can see working tree is clean, there is nothing to change. Great job. You have now learned how to initialize a git repository, add file, commit changes and check the status of your work. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss it, the next video, which will be on the branching, git checkout and git merging. Thank you.